To turn on or turn off Google stories about your interest notifications icon pages in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, tap notifications, tap notifications again, and then scroll down screen, select stories about your interest. If you cannot find stories about your interest menu, you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, tap stories about your interest, and then to turn on, to show stories about your interest notification icon pages, tap up icon pages switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.